Kung may ganahan tanong sa tao, kaya hindi naman magkano ka.
Today is Happy New Year here. Because set bark my right there, the black pork gets me and my eyeglass is pink, or my hair is that freaking bad. Sure. Let it take. I have little that one is my big shirt na ako na lang yata. Ako na lang isa near village sure my eyes. Oh no, my eyes is birdly. So, mabobot na yung eyes natin. Ito na yung eyes natin, no? Dapat, ganito na yung mawi-winner na ako dito yung sa yung tingit kung makakita kayo madodoktor, ha? Smile kapatid.